Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more creatives to the How To University channel. So in today's video, we're going to teach you how to put an image in a frame to create a custom piece of marketing material. So we're going to head over to canva.com, and once we're here, we're going to go to the right hand side of the web page, and under custom size, we're going to go to our recent size and just select that. Once we're here, it's going to auto-generate this white square, and we're going to go over to the left-hand side of the screen, and we're going to hit on Uploads. For the sake and purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and select an image that I already have here on the uploads from previous uploads. So we're going to go ahead and grab this Call of Duty graphic, and we're going to make it a little bit smaller. We're going to go ahead and put this right here. Now, in order to put this particular image in a frame, we're going to get over to the left-hand side and select Elements. Once you're on Elements, you're going to go to the top search bar and type in the word frames. Once you find frames here, it's going to auto-generate a couple different ones. We want to make sure that we're selecting the one at the top that says frames. Click on See All. Once you've done this, you have a ton of different frames that you can choose from. So for the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and go with the circle frame, and we're going to go ahead and minimize this down a little bit smaller. And let's say now you want to go ahead and combine the two. Anything with the frames in it will be able to add our custom image to it. So now that you've done that, you can go ahead and drop that image inside of that frame, and now you have an image within the frame. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what else you would want to know how to do on Canva. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.